must to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Good morning, dear children. Geeta Miss is here to give you a thought for the day. Ability is what you are capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well you do it. I repeat, ability is what you are capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well you do it. So, never give up on what you really want to do. Thank you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the young, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good. Ready, hey, 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 hey.
Students, I am your Soumya ma'am. Today I am here to say today's vocabulary word. Today's vocabulary word is gigantic. Today's vocabulary word is gigantic. Spelling Gigantic. Meaning extremely big, huge. And example, the building is gigantic. Let me repeat. Today's vocabulary word is gigantic. Meaning extremely big, huge. Thank you.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, glass heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5. 4, 3, next, chain. Exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,